the jail. It's nothing to do with the support. But this is injustice, so we have to counter with the injustice. So I was thinking to have a conference in Tokyo or Congress building.
Patuloy na mapag-iit ng hustisya ng Filipino community sa Japan para ipanawagan ang paglaya ni Duterte. Isa sa mga grupong nangunguna dito sa Japan ay ang Republic Defenders for Peace and Unity o RDPU.
So the people in the Philippines and Filipino society and abroad, please stay strong and unite each other, because your voice is most important things, and maybe we can change the narrative which was manipulated by certain power.
Naniniwala si Fujiki na inosente ang dating Pangulo at dapat itong makalaya upang mabigyan ng tamang gamutan. At kung siya raw ang masusunod, gusto niyang sa Japan magpagaling si Duterte.
We really need to get him out of the jail, and he doesn't deserve to be in the jail. He deserves